Yes, guys, one more update again, people. One more update again. Big up yourself, Aunty Donna, for reaching out on social media and letting the people them know that Brittany Goffe need help. She seriously need help right about now. She is not doing well, people. So get that. Brittany Goffe over TikTok, she's not doing so well. And this girl has been through a lot. This girl go through a lot of things, people. Depression, stress, ups and down, happiness. Being rich on TikTok and then got ripped off and broken and anything. I mean, I say, people, one woman can bear so much things. You get me, I say? So, Donna, break it, and I could know, say, Brittany Goffe is not doing so well. And I appreciate the fact that Donna was able to come out and talk about it, people. Because enough of we, all we do is watch people, and when them get sick or anything to them, we don't rock with them and help motivate them. All we want them to do is entertain us. And I appreciate the fact that Donna. So people, I appreciate the fact that Donna can come out and make the world know what go on, guys. Because the haters them on social media have a lot of bad things to say about Donna, and them understand say, yo, Donna have a caring and a warm heart towards anybody at all that is not doing so well, people. And I do not know what take place with Brittany Goffe, people, but all I have to say about these people is that this girl, trust me, she tough. Them break her spirit here and there, and she has been through a lot of things, people. And I hope and pray that things may get better for her, because one person cannot go through so much things. One person cannot bear so much things, people. Me I wonder how she sleep at night time with all this stress what she going through on a daily basis, a week and a monthly basis, people. John no star. Brittany Goffe is not like herself. She's not herself. She's on a different level. I saw her on the live a couple minutes ago, people, and she was lost. You see me? She was lost, guys. I'm say, yo, Jano, who would I want hurt Brittany? And who would I want to do certain things to the girl and things? I swear to God, people, social media is a place where you have to come and just show your love and then you leave. You get me? I say? It's up to you, up to good or bad, but Jano, I appreciate the fact that Donna could have really come out and break the news and make her know what go on, because enough people probably know about knows that Brittany Goffe is that good, and them they reach out to her, them they call her and ask how she doing. Even if she don't want to talk to them they call her find out. You get me I say? But once Donna talk, people will listen, and I hope she may get the help that she need, guys, because you know it's a Jamaican this, and we have help out our own black sister and did it for them, because remember when TikTok come out, Brittany Goffe was there entertaining her fans from left, right and center, and she was the main center of attraction. So even if things now go for your way right now, we must not forget where we're coming from. You hear me I say? Most person that help Brittany Goffe, you guys need to come on board now and just just look out for her. When you can't the money, when you get advice and just help push her and make sure she get some counseling or something, because something is definitely wrong with her. You know what I say? It just not look good on social media. It not look good for us. Yo, this young girl, I go through so many ups and downs, guys. It feel people if say, yo, you go through ups and downs as you're young. Mental issues, stress, and all kind of thing, people. You're going to feel hurt and you're going to feel broken. So I just imagine how Brittany Goffe feel. But how I can say again, people, Donna, you have a good heart. You have a good heart. I know say Donna can help. I know she will help. I know. Because trust me, Donna have helped a lot of people in her lifetime. So I know say if she get a slight chance, or she will probably get a contribution or something. But if it's sure to say, yo, good people, they both, when them talk bad about you, you still have a good heart. Then I never come out and break the news. The only person we hear talk about something like this is RT Boss. RT Boss read her out and say him see some health issues. You get me I say? And then here goes Donna come out and break the news people. But enough people know about it who know Brittany Goffe. I mean, I see them on TikTok, I mean, I see them on Instagram and Facebook I talk about it, guys. I mean, I say, yo, from the notes that the girl is sick, when you come out and talk about it, but the whole know, when you afraid that Donna come out and talk about it, trust me, people. People will watch you, and when you feel sick, them not dead for you. Them not dead for you, them just dead for you for a moment of time, people. And when you need them, kind of love you. Because Brittany Goffe entertain enough people. Although I know that some of them will help her. Get me I say? Who can give her money, who give money, who can get a constant session or something. But she don't look like herself, people. She look like something different wrong with her. And if she's sick, she need help, people. And I hope and pray she may get the help that she need, guys. But I'm saying, social media is a place where you have to appreciate. And when you come past social media, you have to deal with people good. You get what I say? Because you don't know when things are reach your people. And this is what happened to Brittany Goffe. She just got through a rough time like anybody else. And I hope and pray that things may get better for her. And I hope and pray that the people them who support her may come on board and help her so she can get back on her foot again, people. I know it's not easy to support people, but Brittany Goffe have a future in the entertainment TikTok world. You see me? And nobody deserves to be sick or going through certain things. Nobody don't deserve it. You get me I say? But this is just life. Life is full of all kind of things. You see me? But what I want to say is that people, life is just for living. And you have to live life to your best of your ability. And you have to do the right things while you are on earth. Turn the fan. Want to turn the fan. So, Brittany Goffe, all the best. Donna go, big up yourself. And, you know, respect for breaking the news. And but the people they know what go on. Because enough people never know. People watch Brittany Goffe and people watch Brittany Goffe all the while, and they love her, and she's very entertaining. And you know, enough people are gonna feel hurt right now. Enough people are gonna feel hurt for those Brittany Goffe. You know, she's not doing so well, people. But you know, things will get better for her. Things will get better for her because one thing we do with Jamaica, even though sometimes we have a dirty ways and thing, when it comes to sickness and everything, but always I come together and I help out a situation, guys. I know say Brittany Goffe, I can get help. You see me? So Brittany Goffe, best of yourself, go out with this, go out with the faith. You see me? Many people go through what you go through both time. But you know, you have to just pray and just say, Father God, say, yo, take some people out of my life or give me a different life where we can be happy all the time. You get me I say? And if you have an issue and thing, Brittany Goffe, just report it to somebody and let them know what go on, people. But Donna, respect and love for the news that you break. Yeah, because no people never talk about it. People are going to push it underneath the carpet, some of them. You see me? Why you have some of them now are going to come out who generally mean Brittany Goffe good. But guys, this is just a show you say, yo, even though them talk bad about Planka Boss at times, Donna have a good heart. Donna care about people. You see me? And we can tell you, say, Donna watch Brittany Goffe. And if somebody watch Brittany Goffe, she only have to do say, yo, some thing I reach with Brittany Goffe, I shouldn't reach out to her and things, guys. I appreciate it. And I love to see them thing here. You get me, I say? Yeah. Because when you hear about something, you must come out and talk about it so somebody can get help. Now, all the news and when you wait until later, say, boy, I didn't know first. I didn't know a long time. Now, come out, break your silence. Like how Donna break her silence. One Donna go to the flipping world and thing. Who don't like it, go chuck off. That's a straight fact. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I just say, guys, let's hope and pray so Brittany Goffe may get some help. See me? In any way or any form. Because money is not all. The greatest thing is love, compassion. Somebody can talk to you and say, boy, I feel what you feel. I have a day for you. Yeah, because I only have the money enough, it will done. But love will always do it. Love is what brings us through the day and brings us through the night. You see me? And I must say, Brittany Goffe, Mr. Preserve. Donna, Mr. Preserve. People, take care of yourself.